guys, Namaste. Welcome to Ankinish Creations. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 2 DIY Friendship Day gift ideas with you all. All of them are very cute, unique and very easy to make. So let's get started with the first one. For this one, I was inspired from a Pinterest post here and I modified it a little bit. I'm using mini canvas here, but you can also stick paper on a cardboard. Now I'm just placing different rocks and shells I have till I get perfect figure of the girls. I think this should be okay. अब जब आपका डिज़ाइन रेडी हो जाए, now we will use hot glue gun and stick all this in place one by one. I have 2 more videos on Friendship Day gift ideas on my channel. I'll link those videos in the description box below and also at the end of this video. मस्त ideas है उसमें भी, तो देखना आपको पसंद आएगा. अब बाकी की डिटेलिंग्स के लिए आई एम यूजिंग ब्लैक मार्कर. ये गिफ्ट आइडिया बहुत ही इजी और बहुत जल्दी बन जाता है. सो मेक श्योर यू मेक समथिंग लाइक दिस फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स ऑन दिस फ्रेंडशिप डे. आफ्टर ऑल, फ्रेंडशिप इज द बेस्ट रिलेशनशिप वी हैव ऑन दिस प्लैनेट. चलो अब जूट ट्वाइन को यूज करके इस गिफ्ट को हैंगेबल बनाते हैं. अगर आप चाहे तो इसके पीछे मैग्नेट चिपकाकर यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक इट अ मैग्नेटिक गिफ्ट सो दैट इट कैन बी स्टक्ड ऑन द फ्रिज और एनी मैग्नेटिक surface. I'm using hot glue and masking tape to stick my jute twine here. And tada! Our first gift is ready. I think this turned out so cute and just I love it. DIY 2 is rock painting. I know you know that I'm obsessed with rock painting, so let's start with it. First, I'm painting white acrylic paint on this rock to give it a nice white base. I have done 2 coats to make it opaque. Now I'm drawing 2 little cute birds sitting and hanging out together to celebrate their friendship. Fill in with the acrylic paints with whatever color you like. I have 3 full dedicated stone painting video on my channel. You can watch all of them and get so many ideas to paint on a rock with different things like glitter, neon liners, etc. I'll link those video in the description box and also at the end of this video. And yeah, if you recreate any of my artwork, please don't forget to share it with me on my Instagram or Facebook. I love to see them and I will share them in my videos. इस वीडियो के एंड में भी I have shared an artwork of a viewer. And we are almost done with our rock painting. This can be used as a home decor or paperweight or in any way you want to use it. Now let's see the artwork of a viewer. This was my stone painting and this is his stone painting. I think this is so cute and very beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing it with me. If you guys want to share your artwork or recreation of my art, then you can follow me on Instagram or on my Facebook page. Links are given in the description box below. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Love being creative.
Love being creative. Bye. Please subscribe.